Finally, you are here. I'm glad you got my message. No one else get to get hurt. This will soon be over, only if you submit yourself to the king.
Submit myself to? It be like say you dey mad. It be like say you smoke expired Igbo. I want to ask you one question. What did that woman do you when make you enter Ashira and go buy am? You leave who you dey find, go kill that woman. Why?
It is not in my place to kill you. It is in the place of the king. I only needed to lure you here so that the rites can completely be done. And here you are.
So you dey embarrass yourself. No, for your mind now, you think so you go feel raw me to kill me. All this nonsense what they do for this kingdom go end today. When they use people, innocent souls, they do ritual. For your mind, you think you can use my head to do ritual? Not my head. I will put an end to the existence of all this evil what they do for this kingdom today.
You fool! I am immortal and I cannot be killed by human weapons.
Ikiti! Ikiti!
Is he dead?
He's dead. Listen. The battle line has just been drawn. Take my brother to the safe place. I'll be back.
Fabunkata obuchuba nwabialo wona agba. Habukwa megbe chuba nwabialo wona agba.
Ejana bisije.
Ejana o.
Isi mama ntokwa nezi.
Obiali jemuna o.
Ejana bisije.
In 2 hours, this palace will go on fire. You no fear. You get mind, come my papa house, come marry me with bad intentions. You won't use me to do sacrifice. That will not reach you. You send people, come buy my papa. I swear to the gods, your life goes spoil today. The wine.
Ipeka. Nkiri ka na-ekiri ododo na ejiri ododo nyozu. You are nothing but a pigeon. Thinks itself a bird. You can't stop me. I am the king and I will continue to reign in power and in glory. You should have kept running. I swear I must sacrifice your head so that I will keep reigning from glory to glory to glory. You can't stop me.
The lion stands no chance before a god. Igidi! I submit myself to your never-ending powers. Let your strength envelop my body, soul, and spirit. Zuma, the people of Akuba will know your secrets that you've been hiding for decades.
Your Majesty, the bride has arrived. They are waiting outside.
I will be with them shortly.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
For me to have a smooth ride as a king, I will. The throne is mine. Nobody, I repeat, nobody can take it away from me. Not even that rascal. Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. Rienu. Ṅụọnụ. Kwezuonụ. Your beauty is beyond human comprehension. Welcome to the Asian kingdom of Agoba. Rise. My people, I hereby officially present my wife and the great queen of this kingdom, Oge.
My son. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, how did it go?
You go where? Party enjoyment plenty. Enjoyment.
I would have loved to be there. Only these my health issues. So, what did your sister give to you?
You don't give me anything, no. She don't even see me. She don't even see me. She don't see me.
I don't understand. She did not give you anything.
No, they don't even give me food initially. Now me go there, go shout for them. Tell them why a white person like me go come my sister wedding. You know, go give me food. You say they count people where they go give.
Why?
It's one person per food, one person per food. They give me now. You know that you no come, no food for you.
So you mean you did not bring food for me?
No.
Your sister did not give me food.
She not even see me. Crowd, they call her my queen. She dey queen from here to there. So I go meet the people where they in charge of food. They give me 2 food, but meat not there inside.
It's good at least you brought something up. But then, you mean you don't have meat in the food?
The crayfish, plantain.
They ate it or they did not give you?
They no put am. Like they no put am. No plantain, no salad, nothing. Only straightforward rice na there. The rice straightforward.
They did not give you meat in this rice, or you did something to it?
No, nothing happened to the meat. If let's say them, their meat finish. You be like, but this one where they now they no put meat. Nothing to collaborate with. You just na straight up rice.
Yeah.
So
Please take it inside.
I know, just lose appetite, please.
Yeah.
Lose appetite.
How can they give you food without meat? Ha! How way go?
Baby, what's with the long face? Not even a greeting.
Tell me, why should I greet you, Nonso? Why should I greet you? No, so is this how you do your own love? Is this how you love somebody's daughter? Eh?
What have I done this time?
What kind of stupid talk is that? No, so since the past 2 days I've not eaten. Since the past 2 days, nothing has entered my mouth and you call yourself my boyfriend. You can't even do anything for me. You can't even provide for me. What are you here for? Eh? What are you in my life for?
Why are you talking like that? You know I'm trying my best with you. I've been providing for you. I've been doing my best with you. Look at my shop. My shop is going down. I'm just trying to balance myself here.
Balancer. Only God knows when you're going to balance in your life.
Because I came to pack provision before hunger will kill me in this state. Take. This is what I want. What is God?
Now, this is too much now, baby. Look at. Are you sure you're the only one consuming all of this?
I don't understand. Go and pack, let me go. I don't have time for this. I will have issues with you.
This is much.
No, so go now.
This is a lot now.
Go.
Look at my shirt. I'm not even sure I have all this. Sit, but if it's Gary, you start with Gary. Let me see what I have.
Gary kill you. My boyfriend will have stuff filled with provision. I will die of hunger. Be fast, though. I don't have time to waste. Be fast. Nonsense.
Good day.
How are you? What can I get you?
Please. Me and my daughter, we are very hungry. Can you help us with something? Anything at all?
I just opened my shop now. I never Twitter, I never sell anything. Eh? It's a fee given now.
We'll manage even the least.
Okay. I can give you some foodstuffs if you have something to cook with. Is it okay?
No, we don't. We came from a very far community. Please help us.
Shit, I'll never. This money now, eh? The money I want to give Mama Ejima when she bring me snacks. Oh yeah, hold this one first. Hold this one. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Make I bring you small thing, eh? So that you guys can use and arrange. Huh? Wait for me. Sit here. Give me 1 minute.
Chidebere. Why are you sleeping here by this time?
Chambi, why are you sleeping? Now you get sand. I been in your land, I can't lie down, but tell me now, why did you stop my sleep? What be this?
Do not talk to my mother like that.
Do not talk. Your mother knows I get issue. As I get family problem now, so your mother knows. I want to come disturb my sleep. I no get joy, you. I beg.
Tell me, what is your problem?
You know if you do am. You am say tell me wetin. You know if you do am. As you see me and my papa, we get issue. I chop my papa trepa. No be say I move am trepa. The thing now don't hook me for neck. And I no fit swallow the money again. And why I come there and now they meditate. My if you know wetin the softness.
You stole from your father, didn't you?
Champ, you stole from your father. Stole and collect na the same thing. Na two type of English be that. I collect my papa trepa. Only. I no stole.
You shouldn't steal. It's bad.
So all this my book of a Bible story, one of the recited since. Now make I no steal, make I no stole. Now why you come disturb my sleep? When you say I don't dey cross border where they enter Australia. Which can bebele on a can't be now. Which in this up? No try am again, no don't try disturb my sleep. No try am again, maybe you don't get problem. Which can matter with that one? You are serious. Now one ba. Thank you. You go appreciate them. If you know I appreciate them, I go help them appreciate it. When I'm done, I go give them the money. Don't you pressure me. Thank you. You go give person money, you go give a condition.
Thank you. I try. One bar, you will reach something.
My queen, how are you feeling settling in?
It's been a long day. I'm very tired.
Sorry, but I hope that won't stop me from making love to you.
I'm sorry, my king. We can't make love. I'm really, really tired. I'm stressed out. Probably some other time, okay? In no time, you have me.
Alright, that's fine. Let's sleep.
What is going on? Eh?
There is something buried underneath the floor.
Something was buried here?
You can't see it. Find it out yourself.
Listen, if na place, stop am. I no like am at all. No vex me. You just interrupted my sleep. You tell me say something was buried here. Since morning I never rest. What is it? I'm not seeing anything. What is it?
I am serious. Check it out.
Check what out? Should I break the concrete?
Baby, what is it? My queen, was that a nightmare?
Yes.
Sorry. What was it all about?
Nothing. I'm sure this whole stress is messing with my brain, but I'm fine. It's just a dream.
Alright, it's okay. Let's go back to sleep, yeah? Come. Are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
Do you need water?
No.
Alright, come.
At least, if I collect some money from that my wretched boyfriend and add to this one, oh my god, it don't be. I'll get myself a new phone. Since I cannot have a new phone, she too cannot have a new phone.
House? Is there anybody at home?
Who you define? Anybody? What's up?
I'm looking for your father. Is he at home?
Wetin happen?
I want to see him. Is he at home?
Na me be my papa, and my papa be me. Who you define?
I'm looking for your father. Is he at home?
Pass the message, give me.
No, I want to see him. Is he at home?
Eh?
I want to see him. Is he at home?
Na me you dey see na. I no be like my papa.
Call him for me.
Follow me talk na. Any message you pass and give me.
Follow you talk. I want to see your dad.
You know there na. You know there.
Let me see.
No, you don't go enter person like that. 2 step back first. 1, 2. Pass message, give me.
I want to see him. Let me just see him.
You know there na. That's the next the message give me.
No, I want to see your father. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. My father said I should give you this, the money he borrowed from you.
That's thoughtful of him. So how much is there?
5,000, yeah.
5,000, eh? Yes. Thank you very much. Greeting for me, eh?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
She's here.
Greetings, my elders.
Greetings, Lolo.
My king, you sent for me.
Yes, my lovely queen. Oh no. Please bring her up to speed.
Lolo, as new married queen in our kingdom, according to our tradition, you have 2 tasks to carry out. Before the crown will be sealed on your head, and today marks the first one.
My queen, let me expatiate. It's not even a task. It's just a ceremony. Yeah, you go to the market, identify with your fellow women. It's just a casual ceremony to seal your position as the queen, okay? You can handle that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Today is a market day. That is our own market. You have to go to the market, greet, enjoy, dance with the women in the market. They will now know that this is their queen. Huh? That's the first task.
I like it. When do we leave?
We go now.
How are you?
Nah, I did fine. Now your shop I dey go. This one you just dey work out. Wetin dey sup now?
I hope everything is fine. Do you want something?
You dey ask me whether I want something. You can't give me my normal.
Your usual, eh?
You can't give me my normal routine.
Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me rush house. I forgot something at home. I want to go and get it. Eh? Just sit there. I'm coming.
Person dey there.
Nobody did there. I'll just sit down for front there. I'm not gonna take time. Even good self say you did there.
No, you know good anything. Mo go. I need this thing urgent.
Chede.
Kamtachi, Osa.
Chede be going. I will meet you there. I will not take time.
Because they don't take time. No be say no be one round. They won't go collect.
I'll be back.
All is well.
Yes. they do you? You dey crazy? Why are you following me about? Huh? Leave me alone. You're disturbing my life. What is it? I go deal with you. I know well. Go ask questions. I go deal with you even if you be ghost. I don't care. What's your problem?
Tonight, I will show you something.
What do you want to show me? Don't show me anything. I'm tired. You're disturbing my life. Stop following me about. Ogini, what is it?
You'll find out the truth soon. Just be ready when I come.
Which nonsense truth? Don't come anywhere. Don't disturb my life. Ogini.
Your Majesty, we have been talking to someone, but I can't see anyone.
No, It's fine. Let's go. Oh, okay. Let's do selfie. Together. Turn it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
Miriam, why are you shouting in my house? What is it? What is it?
Where is my phone, Abigail?
Your phone?
Where is my phone?
What do you mean by your phone?
Oh, don't you play dumb. You think I don't know? Where is the phone you took at the office today?
I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't see your phone.
What do you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? Oh, you are judging me by my Christian name, right? Listen, I am a traditionalist and I know you took the phone. Where is my phone?
Miriam, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, get out of my house.
You think I'm joking, right? You think I'm joking? Boys! Boys! Come and pick this girl! Boys, where are you?
If I cover your eye, you then mad. Come on. What's thing that happened here? What is happening? Can you? Why are you people beating her like that?
Listen, this stupid girl stole my phone and sold it for the sum of 40,000 naira. Now she's in debt of 60,000 naira. Listen, she brought us here so you pay the money. Pay it, let me leave here.
Don't talk like that about my girlfriend. My girlfriend is not a thief.
As how now?
So wait. Yes, she's right. But I told you I needed a new phone for myself. You refused to buy for me, so I had to steal her money to buy the phone.
Abigail. So you stole from them because I told you I didn't have money to buy you a new phone.
It's your fault. It's your fault. I told you I needed a new phone for myself. I can't continue using that old phone. I told you.
Oga, listen. I don't have time for this rubbish. Give me my money, let me leave. I swear to Osolugwa, if you don't give me my money, what we have done to her will be worse.
It's okay. How much is the money?
60,000.
Plus boys, no.
Now so.
Leave her.
Abigail, I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing you are doing.
Abigail.
Abigail, how could you? Huh? Why are you so bent on making life difficult for me, Abigail? What is this? What has come over you? You even go as far as to steal, Abigail, really?
No, it's all your fault. You caused it by letting me do things by myself. Knowing fully well, I don't get paid anything tangible in my service here. You can't even stand up like a man for me. What is your problem? Nonsense.
Okay, this is all you've got to say, Abigail. Like, this is all you've got to say. Look at what your nonsense cost you. The embarrassment, the shame. You sit here thinking that I'm the only one that is taking the shame, Abigail. Listen, you are also partaking in it. I'm telling you the truth. Imagine what that young girl will go and tell people about you right now.
Whatever she says, it's all your fault. Okay? No, so you are the worst boyfriend I've ever seen all my life. Are you not ashamed of yourself for letting me go through all of this because you refuse to carry your duties? Wait, is this how we're going to get married? Like this? No, like this.
Abigail, I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. Look at you. Look at you.
It's your fault.
Really, Abigail.
If you move, well, go. Wait.
What's happening now?
Where are you coming from? Oh yeah? One will jump.
Eh?
I said jump like a frog to that place. I will kill you here now. Oh yeah? What's up, Okay, move. You want to kill me? Move. Want to kill me? I will not die for you. Oh yeah, move. Move here. Go. I said go. 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 I said move.
My waist. Papa, my waist.
Your waist? Is that your waist?
Papa, my waist, Jesus.
Where are you coming from?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Eh?
Where are you coming from?
I go collect my daily routine.
Your daily routine?
Yeah, my normal daily cra.
Your daily cra? Your daily cra?
Yes, Papa.
You went to collect your daily cra?
Yes, Papa. No, normal something. This one where you okay like this, like say you just enter military new. You won't blame my eye. When you go to this compound where you deposit, you see long cane where you carry.
Oh yes, shit, you said it right. There is a two-legged goat in this compound that I want to kill this evening. Until that idiot two-legged goat tells me what I want to hear now. Yes.
Papa, you dey speak in parables. This way you talk, I don't understand. Go straight to the point. Not the neck by the head, I be the head by the neck. Anyone, you dey confuse me. Goat not this compound.
Yes, let me go straight to the point.
Bam.
Chid, give me my money you stole from my room now. Yes.
Money.
You say money? Give me my money now.
You dey accuse me wrongly. It's there for constitution. It's a bad offense. You can be jailed for it. Big offense. You know what you say that accuse person wrongly. I don't see your money don't see me, Papa. You don't accuse me wrongly now.
Chidi, give me my money or I will kill you alive here. Give me my money.
Kill the
I said give me my money.
Because of chicken change, money won't even they reach buy one cup. You won't kill me because of money will be say normal slim tie, you know they reach coordinate them.
Chicken change. Oh yes, give me that chicken change. I want it.
Eh?
Give me the chicken change.
I don't use that place normal 2 odd to uplift the money.
You use my money to play normal 2 odd to uplift the money?
Sure odd. Normal 2 sure odd.
Normal 2 sure odd. To uplift it.
Yes. Maybe for be 4,000. So if I pay you back your 3,000, I go 1,000 again.
Shady, give me my money. I will kill you and tell people that I killed you because of 3,000 naira. 3,000 I will kill you, yes. Give me the money.
Because of small money, you traumatize me like this.
You don't want to give my money.
Oh, yeah, do the counts. Breathe in.
Your
BP go rise, oh. Your BP, your BP rise, your BP go rise, oh. Your BP go rise. You don't go here. Your BP go rise. I know why they tell you. Till you see BP, your BP go rise. This man. Your pikin go call, oh. I know what they talk. Your BP.
You see me, you're turning up and down.
Not you, sir. Now your BP are the
Give my money. I say give my money.
No.
I will jump here. And catch you.
My queen, how did it go?
There's something I would like to discuss with you.
What is it?
First, I thought it's something that shouldn't bother me, but now I'm worried.
My queen, what is it?
A spirit is following me around. Don't give me that look. I know what I'm talking about. I saw this spirit in my dream. Now I see her in reality.
A spirit? Okay, what does the spirit look like?
She's a little girl. I don't know what she wants from me. I'm scared.
Baby, you sound strange. Are you sure this is not as a result of stress?
I'm telling you the truth. This is not stress. I don't know. I'm just scared.
Scared of what?
Of this spirit following me around.
Oh no. What happened?
Your Highness, I'm not sure the Queen is mentally stable. I noticed her change of countenance in the market, the way she was dancing with the women. And as we were coming back, all of a sudden she stopped the car, came down from the car and started speaking to the wind. As if someone invisible visited her. I have no explanation to that, Your Highness.
She complained about seeing a ghost.
Ghost? Who is it?
I don't know, no. But nevertheless, we must hurry up with the rides. One down, one more to go.
Fabunkata ogbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba.
Eja na bụ isi ije.
Eja na o.
Isi mama ntọkwa n'ezi.
Ọ bịara ije gwụ na o.
Eja na bụ isi ije.
Eja na o, eja na o.
Isi mama ntọkwa n'ezi.
Isi mama.
How is this possible?
You allowed yourself to be married to this palace. Are you that dumb? Did you not wonder, while a king this old and crippled is yet to be married?
I know he lost his wife years ago.
And suddenly he needs a bride.
Is there something you know that I don't know?
You are not here to experience luxury. You are surrounded by fire. Be careful of your next move. Your life may depend on it.
What do you mean? Can you explain? What?
Where are you coming from?
I don't understand. Am I not allowed to move freely?
It is wrong to answer my question with question. Speak. Where are you coming from? before I flog the hell out of you.
Eh? You said waiting.
You heard me loud and clear. Answer my question. Where are you coming from? Else I will flog the hell out of you here and now.
Wait, hold this thing. It be like say the English when I knock now. It be like say they deceive you. You won't flog me. King Zuba, eh? It be like say before you open your mouth talk. You know the reason, oh. You know they use your medulla oblongata. You go just open your mouth, wow. They throw away opata, they throw away dust. For your mind now, if you say you feel control me, be like say you dey craze.
What?
Go ask question, not well, oh. Now one bone I get. One single bone when strong, if I blow you, if I knock you, convulsion go hold you if you try to touch me. You dey whine? Go and check my records. Records don't lie. My files are intact. People who I don't wound. People when I injure, where blood they come out for their body, the records dey. You know how if you want make I open them for you, make it a siam.
Monkey they jump now because say the trees they close. I am not interested in your past madness. I heard you visited Yonowu. What was that for? What business do you have with Yonowu? Answer me on that.
Why your conscience they judge you? Why? A clear conscience fears no accusation. Change, Igwe. Change, oh. So that you go feel they sleep well for nights. I'm not forcing make you marry me. Nobody forced you to marry me. I just consider you. I looked at your state and I considered you. I pity for you. You dey feel me? Now they stress my life, I not get time for nonsense. So I beg my this make I come up for you. Why?
I don't want you in my room.
Why?
I mustn't explain myself. I said leave my room. Or is it your room?
Wait, has it gotten to this level that you no longer want me in your bed?
Well, you should have thought about the consequences before running your mouth before my guard. Listen, I made you a queen. I placed the crown on your head, which I can remove if need be.
Listen to a man who wishes for big teeth should have big lips to cover them.
Well, a woman that refuses to understand the difference between courage and stupidity will always end up in the morgue. Now, get out of my room and don't make me say it again.
My king, the spies are ready.
Good. No one dares me. I want the entire people of Akala Kingdom wiped out from the surface of this earth. Burn down their houses. Kill their children, especially the male ones. Kill their animals. I want you to leave everlasting pain on that kingdom. I hope my message is clear.
Yes, Your Highness.
That will never happen. My king, you're driving towards the wrong direction. This is unwise.
Are you sick in the head? Where is your sense of respect? How dare you speak without my permission? What gave you the guts to talk to me without my consent?
The people of this kingdom are my people. I will not watch you endanger your life because of some silly brag of powers and misuse of authority. Let me ask you, if you attack Akala today, won't he retaliate?
Do I look afraid? War is part of life. I am not scared of war. And you have no right to tell me what to do.
Whose head will be used to pay for your error, if not that of the innocent? There will be no war in this kingdom, not under my watch. I will not be captured as a slave because of your arrogance. and your unending quest for powers.
I don't have your time. Listen, my word is law. Do as I have instructed. Now!
Hey, come here! You will not do as he instructed. Send the spies back! Greetings, my king.
Stay there. There is a bad spirit hovering around you, which I'm not comfortable with.
Bad spirit? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways, I came to let you know that I'll be traveling tomorrow to see my father and my brother. I'll be back in a few days.
I don't care about your family members. There is a spirit in you. You came into this palace with an evil spirit. Get rid of that spirit or stay away from me to avoid clash of forces.
Evil spirit? I don't know what you're talking about. Look, I hold no grudge against you.
I know what I'm saying. There is a spirit in you that irritates my soul. Get rid of it or stay away from me.
King Zuba, I have seen the direction that your so-called new wife will lead you to. It will end abrupt war. She will contend against you for the throne. She is strong-willed, backed up by her chi. You must repeat the sacrifice to maintain a smooth rulership.
I will sacrifice Oge.
You must sacrifice her for you to be able to regain your legs and to be able to walk again. Failure to do so, you lose the throne to her in the most shameful and chaotic way. Go and do what you must do now.
No, so I came to tell you that I need a phone. Not just a phone, an iPhone. All those 13 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, or even 17 Pro Max preferable. I can't continue using this phone now. This phone is old-fashioned.
What happened to it? No, Abigail, tell me what happened to this phone. You don't want to use it anymore. Go on now.
You're asking me. No, you're asking me that question. So if they ask people with phone to come out, you expect me to come out? No, so are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself that the person you called your woman is using this kind of phone? If you're not ashamed of yourself, I am ashamed.
Abigail, I don't understand you anymore. You are the same person that gave me a bill the other time that I'm still running around to get the money to give you. Now you want to hit this one on me again. Abigail, be considerate now.
I don't care. All I want is a new phone. I don't care. All I want is a new phone. All I want is a new phone. Change my phone for me. Let peace reign. What is it? Is that too much to ask?
Abigail, there is no money for new phone.
There is no money for new phone.
Yes, now. I don't have money for new phone.
There is no money for new phone. So you are telling me there is no money for new phone?
What is the one you are using? It's still working very well.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. There's no problem. There's no money for new phone, right? It's fine.
That small shop of mine is where I get all the money to take care of you, to train you, to change, to give you the... Where are you going to? Abigail. Oh, look at that. Abigail. Okay. Oh, look at you now. So beautiful girl, what were you doing on that?
Oh, I because I was waiting for my cabman. You know all those cabman and their disappointment.
Yeah, I understand. They can be very annoying sometimes. Yeah. But I don't mind being your Uber driver. I can take you to wherever you want.
Are you for real?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, but how much am I expected to pay in return?
You don't have to pay anything. Just give me a little of your time. That's all.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Don't be too quick. So tell me, do you have any other plan after now?
Not really.
Okay. What about the money you promised me?
Don't worry, I'll give it to you.
Alright, let's go.
My queen, my bright and morning sun. Each time I look at your beauty, it lightens up my mood.
Your Highness, your words are sweet and kind.
They are also true. My queen, today marks your second and final assignment as the queen of this great kingdom.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
My people and the people of Akala Kingdom had a little misunderstanding, which they are trying to settle today. So I want you to be part of the settling process, as custom and tradition demands.
Which axis exactly?
They will be waiting for you at the boundary. The king of Akala Kingdom and his cabinets. They are already there waiting for you.
Is Ono not coming with me this time around?
Ono is already there waiting for your arrival.
Okay, I'll leave right away.
I know you love peace. Go there and make peace reign, okay?
Alright, my king.
Fabu nkata ọgwụ chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba.
Eje anọbụ isi ije.
Eje na o.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Ọ bịara ije mụ na o.
Eje anọbụ isi ije.
Eje na o, eje na o.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. O metere ya buru o.
O metere buru. O metere buru.
Oye metere ya buru nye ya yeku na mo.
O metere buru.
Imete kwa kipali nye gi ya kwa na kwa mo.
O metere buru. O metere buru.
Jacob, what is happening?
You can just find your way from here. Maybe take Keke and you can go from here.
Jacob, did I do anything wrong?
I said go from here. Me, I have somewhere very important that I have to go. So you can go from here.
Oh, I see. Oh, because you've gotten what you wanted. You want to push me away, right? God will punish you. You see, my God will punish you, this man. You're a very wicked man. Wicked idiot.
It's your father that is wicked. Cheap girl. Stupid girl. So you expect me to go and drop you in your house? I don't have anything to do now.
I will swear for you. I will curse you. I will curse you. Idiot. Useless man. Out of this place. Get out!
Ah, what is wrong with you?
Are you mad? Are you a madman? How did you walk nonsense? Are you a madman? How dare you cut column? Are you a madman? Are you stupid?
Abigail, please leave me alone. I don't have time for
I'm
this
not going
nonsense.
to leave you. Do your worst. I'm not going to leave you. What are you going to do? Eh? Are you stupid?
Abigail, leave me alone.
Leave you for what?
Leave me. I don't want to
Why should I
beat
leave
you.
Beat me, I will beat you back. Why should I leave you?
I don't want
Look
people
at
to
this
say
man,
that
oh.
I'm beating a girl.
Look at this man, oh. Eh? Eh?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you too? How dare you insult me in public like that? Are you stupid? Eh? Do you know who I am? Eh? A fine couple like me.
Abigail.
Eh?
Abigail.
Abigail what?
Wait.
Wait what?
You called me, you needed money to pay for what you did.
Eh?
Am I the one that asked you to buy more than what you have money for?
Look at the rubbish coming out from your mouth. So because I'm dating you, I should be naked because I'm dating you. Eh? No, so. No, so. You know what? I'm done. I'm done with this rubbish called relation. I'm done with you. And don't you ever in your stupid life call my number ever again. If you dare call my number again, if you dare bring out your phone and call my number again, you see what will happen to you. You useless man. Idiot. Because I'm dating you. I'm managing you. Useless.
Is it my fault that I'm dating Achalugo even a date? Eh? Must you kill me before you know that I'm trying my best? Abigail, what kind of nonsense? Eh? Am I the only one that is dating a fine girl in this community? What is wrong with you?
Is this the boundary?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. I want to see somebody. I'll be back shortly, okay?
Is everything alright, Your Majesty?
Yes, everything is fine. I just want to see someone.
Please, Your Majesty, you cannot go without us. That's the order from the king.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay, but like I said, I am not going to take much of your time. I'll be back before you know it. You can go with me to the person I'm going to see. Alright? They're mad. Come on, get the fuck out of my front. Bomb take your head. You think I'm normal? Don't let this crown under my head deceive you. You're not well, oh. Don't be silly. No sense. Don't know the talks most one. I don't want to come. Since I wait.
Chukwu nọ nso. Chukwu nọ nso. Chukwu nọ nso. Why are you sleeping with your eyes open?
Sorry about that. I didn't know you were here. What can I get you?
Oh, I see. You do not remember me.
Please remind me, who are you?
I was here this morning with my daughter. You helped us with some money.
So how are you? How are you guys doing?
You're fine, all thanks to you.
Thanks to the gods.
I actually came here to thank you for giving me money and for helping me and my daughter. But I can see you have had a really rough day. Judging from your look and your countenance. Were you in a fight?
Something like that. But I'm fine.
Are you sure? Tell me. Maybe I can help.
It's okay. I don't want to bother you with my personal problems. I will be fine.
When you say personal problems, do you mean you were in a fight with a woman? Alright. I can see I'm right. But then again, I wonder. Why would a woman fight with a good man like you? Anyways, I know that you cannot control people's reaction, but you can control yours. What you do after the fight is what matters.
And what do I do after the fight?
Set your priorities straight to avoid it repeating itself. You are the man. Do not succumb to bully and do not bully others. Tomorrow is pregnant. You are meant for greatness. You deserve better.
Hello, no. Are they there? They left the palace a few minutes ago. They will soon be there. I hope everything is on standby. Good. Keep me posted.
Holy go.
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 Holy go. Where is the queen?
No. Is it the meeting point?
Are you stupid? Answer my question. Where is the queen?
She went by to see someone.
You are a fool! You allowed the queen to escape Now listen!
You near me.
What up?
Lord of Jesus! Eh? What did happen for here? You don't kill him. Okay, now this nonsense now they do for here, Abi. Now they use it for here, they do ritual. Wait, oh no. Is this the bundle you say I they come? You won't use my head do ritual, not my head. Did they feel me? Now they mad.
You're welcome, you fool. Your head shall be used for the last ritual. You have proven to be stubborn, but today, this head will be off your neck now. Caesar!
Eh? You said...
Ha! Zubby!
Grandmaster, is it done?
Son of Ogoejiofo, where did you find such an animal for a queen? Killing your cabinet members, including your no.
She killed my cabinet members, including the Ono.
Yes. Somehow she got to know what was awaiting her. She's on the loose. You must find her at all costs. Because the fate of the fraternity can be jeopardized if nothing is done. You must find that girl and bring her head to me!
I will, Grandmaster. Bear with me.
Come for here now.
Why are you dressed like this? Why are you dressed like this, okay?
Papa, enemies don't want to let me rest. Did they feel me? I got to fall back to my old color. Happiness not the street again. Papa, we need to leave, otherwise it go be for us. Where Chidi?
What are you doing with the gun?
Papa, where Chidi day?
Chidi has not come back since yesterday night.
Eh?
He has not come back home here since yesterday.
Why?
Oh, Chidi stole my money. And I told him not to come back home here until he brings back my money.
What did they do Chidi now? Anyways, I don't get time for that matter now, Papa. We need to leave now, otherwise it go be for all of us. I go find Chidi later. Move they go. Papa, drop this. Move they go. Move.
What's going on? Okay, what is going on?
That's the address. She has a father and a brother. Eliminate them and bring her to me.
Igwe, consider it done, Igwe, Your Highness.
Don't fail
Failure is never in my books, Your Highness.
You may leave.
Yes, Your Highness.
Fabu kata chuba nwa bialo wona ba. Habu kwa megbe chuba nwa bialo wona ba.
Eja na bisije.
Eja na o.
Isi mama ntokwa nezi.
Obiali je wona o.
Eja na bisije.
Eja na o, ja na o.
Isi mama ntokwa nezi.
Isi mama ntokwa nezi. Omete ya bulu o.
Ometere bulu.
Hold down! No! Hold down! Get down! Stop now before I will whoop you slap now. Stop! She's not around. You see how they play with you. Where I begin then I go whoop you slap now.
She's not around. She's not here.
This man, the yarn of pata for here. You see how they play?
She's not here. What has okay done to you? What has she done to you people, please?
My dear, no be my church, she shit. And for King Church, now she shit. So if you know anything good for you now, whoop your daughter, come outside now. Or I go blast your head for here now.
What? No, now. King is Oge's husband. So he can't be possibly looking for her.
The yarn opata. Be like go call King, make you tell him that opata where the yarn. Buffalo! Enter that armor. Go lap and come outside. Whip and come outside now. 2 seconds.
What's going on?
Talk 2 times.
Drop that gun! Move! Drop the gun! Drop it! Move!
Papa, beg now. Papa, I beg now. Don't do this, Papa, I beg. Hey, Papa.
Who sent you?
Now the king go. Now the king.
The king sent you.
Ah!
Papa
don't die.
Papa don't die. Chidi, move bounce. They come for us. Move, come out. Papa. Come, move. Papa.
Igwe,
What is it?
we are just coming back from the house, but we couldn't find anybody, even the queen, the father, or even the brother. But
what?
We found the dead body of the man that just left here earlier.
Wait and hear me out now, please. Wait now. Please, I'm sorry.
What is it?
I know the way I treated you was very bad. But believe me, I didn't know what came over me. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. I have forgiven you. Can I go now?
No, you can't go. Please now, just find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Abigail, I've said I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you, but I don't want anymore. No, you made it clear to me that I'm no longer your standard now.
Withdraw my statement.
No, you've gone to university, you came back. You forgot that I've been the one pushing you. I've been the one that is supporting you in school, making sure that you thrive.
I know.
You came back to me telling me that I'm not your standard anymore.
We can work
No. Abigail is fine. I understand. Right now, I am okay.
Have you forgotten the way I used to give it to you? Are you not going to miss all of this? Please now, you are going to miss all of this.
I do not want anymore. Take it to someone else.
You miss all of this. Are you not going to miss it?
I don't want it.
So please now. No, so.
Come and join me. Oh.
Enjoy yourself. You deserve it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You see, after that advice you gave me, I took it and since then I've had peace of mind. That's why I'm enjoying like this. I'm happy because I'm finally free.
Which advice are you talking about?
Have you forgotten? You're the one that advised me on setting my priorities right about the relationship matter. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes.
Your relationship issues.
Exactly.
How did that go?
It went well. I set my priorities right. Now I have my peace of mind with you.
Glad to hear that.
Welcome. You say you don't want to join me?
No.
Guys, go drink.
Thank you so much. I have to go and attend to my daughter now.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for everything. If not for you, maybe I'll still be in the relationship by now. Thank you. I appreciate it. Say hi to your daughter for me.
Of course.
Go well. Hi, maybe smart thing. Like you wanted to kill me.
Chidi, I know say you go dey wonder wetin dey happen. I know you are confused. Even me as I dey like this, I no know I wan take explain give you make you for understand. But wetin I know be say the king dey find me. And we are not safe in this house. You dey feel me? The king don't send men, make they come find me, they won't kill me. I don't know wetin I do am. I don't know why he won't kill me. But the only thing when I go tell you be say, you see this house, no comot from this house. No dey walk anyhow because these boys, they are professionals. If they catch you, they go kill you. I beg, anytime when you know say you won't come out for house, let me know. I take go beg you. Papa don't die. I don't want to lose you. Did they feel me? Not only you I get now. I don't know why they won't kill me. I don't come out, yeah? Papa don't go die now because of me. Innocent man don't die because of me. I don't want to make you be next. You feel me? I beg. I don't even know where I go wrong. Go. I don't know.
Munachi! Your spirit is no longer yours to wield, but my puppet to control. For that reason, you will do my biddings. Go after Queen May. Torture her. Torment her. Make her wallow in pain that she will be left with no option than to return to this palace defenselessly. Go! 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 Tobanado. Kenken yinchiri gwenye ozo. Kuli kane kilododo. Ntiadro.
What did they do for here? Eh? Hey! What happened now? This woman, why did they push me go everywhere when I go? What is it? Maybe they helped me before. What did happen when you change your mind?
Return to your king. Return to your king.
I know they go anywhere. Not by force.
You will face my wrath.
Lolo, please scared me. Anyways, thank you so much for helping me the other day. If not for you, I'd have been dead by now. Thank you so much.
Return to the palace. Return to your king.
I don't understand. Why?
That is the only way you will escape my wrath. Return to your king.
What did they play? Maybe I go back to man when won't kill me. I don't understand. What do you mean by that's the only way I can escape your wrath? What is going on?
Return to your king. Return to your king.
I know they go anywhere. What did they happen?
I said go.
No. What did happen? Chidi. Chidi, I'm not going to keep on to myself anymore. I have to tell you. I am being haunted by a ghost. I don't know what to do. I'm scared.
Which person ghost did they see?
I'm seeing the ghost of late Queen Muna. The wife to late King Madu.
What be your crime? What's your offense? And why is the royal ghost attacking you?
I don't know. I did absolutely nothing to this woman. She would help me before. All of a sudden, she just changed towards me. Can't they wicked? As a matter of fact, she wants me dead. We had our differences before. But that was in the past. I don't know what they happen. This woman won't kill me. I beg you, no go fit help me.
Things are getting more frightening. But I believe I have a friend who might be of a good help to us.
Okay, who be the person?
His name is Nonso.
Mm.
He's a customer friend.
Okay.
But problem D, he's not from this community. He's from Amala.
From Amala? I'm not understand. What do you find? Go that place. Go make friend.
Trade by butter.
Where is your wife, King Zubby?
I'm sorry, Grandmaster. I am yet to get hold of her. Please give me more time.
I can see you clearly do not have any plan, since you find it difficult to catch her. Attack her spiritually.
How do I do that, Grandmaster?
Torment her out of her hiding place. Utilize the blood of those that have been sacrificed on the altar of the fraternity. The time is ticking.
This is serious. King Zubby is a ritualist.
Yes, now. I even just got a survivor story from a palace worker who barely survived it. The king isn't aware of his survivor. If not, he would have been in silence.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
I was even pitying the king, due to his condition now. I never knew he could do such a thing. No.
Pity who? Pity that king. Who else would have known if not that the side they will just come up now? See, I might tell you, not all that glitters are good though. That's what I won't tell you.
The people need to hear this, so they need to be aware of this barbaric acts before it take over the whole village.
People need to hear what. Might know hear from your mouth too. Make you not be what they think. I beg. No try go lead this thing now. No try go lead them. Or else it will possibly take your life. Oh.
I don't care. This is my kingdom, and I have to protect it with everything I have.
Protect which kingdom? See, what if you go now? Now, what you go let from you now? What will you let
You worry too much. You worry too much. I always say you worry too much all the time.
Why I no go worry now? When you know say now you be the only sweetie where they take care of me very, very well. Why I no go worry? But where get person where they like you? Why no go worry?
I will be fine. Don't worry. This is our kingdom. We don't have to stand up. Oh. If we don't stand up for ourselves, who will? We should go look for people outside there to come and fight for us. No, now. We have to do it for ourselves.
Not true. Not true talk.
You need to be going now before they will start looking for you in the palace, yeah?
Before we go, normal.
Normal again.
My neighbor.
I'm sorry, I've never been appointing down. What is it? This kind of greeting this evening, what is happening?
Nothing, no. I bring food for you, neighbor.
Oh, Chineke, for me?
Yes, for me.
Chineke.
Wait. What is going on here?
Chukunonso, who is this thing and what is she doing here? Talk to me! Who is she?
Abigail, what is this madness? What is this madness? Have I not asked you to leave me alone?
You are very stupid. So because of this thing you want to break up with me, right? Because of this idiot.
No, but I'm mad with this. Why are they cutting?
Who be mama? Who be mama?
Are you okay?
Are you mad? Out of this place now. I say get out of this place!
Abigail, you are the one to leave.
Tell this idiot to leave this place. I'm going to have issues with you.
You are the one to leave this place.
It's okay, let me go. Go. Get out. Thank you. What's she doing?
Leave her alone.
Leave me alone.
Abigail, leave her alone. Abigail, leave her alone. Leave her alone. What is this nonsense now? Abigail, leave her alone.
No, so you're very stupid man. And he goes. So you want to abandon me? And I'm reached out. And also you should be proud of yourself that a graduate like me is dating a wretched fool like you.
I'm a wretched fool.
Yes!
Oh, yeah, leave. What are you still doing here with the wretched fool? Shebi, I'm a wretched fool.
Yes!
Hey, start going. Leave the wretched fool alone.
No problem. I will leave. But before I leave, I have something to give you. Nonso, I'm pregnant for you. And before I leave, you have to give me money to get rid of this pregnancy. Fine now.
You are pregnant for who?
For you!
What are you talking about?
What am I not talking about?
Did the pregnancy fall from heaven?
I don't understand. Are you asking me that question? When you were doing it, you don't know. Or you want to deny that you have not done it with me?
When last did we do it?
I don't understand.
Yes, now.
When last did we not do it?
We did it long time ago.
And so what?
If you are pregnant, go to and look for the person that made you pregnant.
Are you mad? Are you a stupid man? Are you mad? Are you a madman? How dare you accuse me of sleeping around?
You mad?
Who are you?
Why you go just slap person like that? You dey crazy?
Who are you and who called you here?
You get luck say this man no be my brother. I swear to God. I for kill you, bury your dead body. Nobody go see am. You dey mad?
You want to kill me? Me, a home. Do you know who I am? You want to kill me? Oh yeah, kill me now. Kill me! If you don't leave this place, what I will do to you, you regret it. Out of this place. Out!
See, I would like make you push me first. I want to check something.
Okay, you want to check something?
I'll
push
you. You mad? You crazy?
You mad? Come on, get up. Come on, yes, I will come back for you.
Yes! Fight your fellow woman now. Fight your fellow woman. Although may not come down anyhow. Fight her! You are running, eh? You are running. No, come and be shouting now. See, thank God, I didn't know that there are girls like you. See, don't worry.
Oh, bros, why you go dey allow woman dey rough handle you like that? It not bad now. For tear and one slap, make she day.
My dear, I have suffered in her hand. I have really suffered. Hey, what can I get you people?
Bros, don't be get wetin carry us come. The thing wey carry us come now, wetin we go like talk in private. I no go fit talk am here. I beg.
Private.
It dey important.
Very important.
Very serious matter. Close up more.
Okay, ma, close up. Ma, we'll go my house. We'll talk, eh?
Thank you. Guy, I hope that girl no come back to this house again, no, because if she try I pity her.
I'm sure she will not try it. I'm done with her for good this time.
But guy, you dey fuck up. They do like man wey no dey get himself. How you go allow woman to do you anyhow, they rough handle you? Wetin reach like that?
It's a long story. But for now, she's done. I'm done with anything that concerns her. By the way, you guys sounded scared at the shop and said you needed somewhere private to talk. What is it? What can I do for you?
Babasi, we need your help.
With what?
Guy, Ghost, they haunt me. The ghost, they pursue me, won't kill me. I mean, I'm never ready to die. I want to protect myself, so I beg. Anything you go fit do to help me, Biko, help me. I beg.
I believe you guys were wrongly informed. I don't know how I can help you with that.
I don't do like this now. They tell me that you be the only plug. Where go fit show me? I beg, help me.
Wait too. Come to think of it, are you not the King Zuba's new wife? Yes, it's you now, the new wife. Please, guys, come and start. Please, I don't want to get involved with anything that has to do with King Zuba. Biko, come and start living.
I beg now. You fit help me on code. Biko.
I cannot help you. Please, sister. Chidi, I cannot help you guys with this. Come and start leaving my house, I beg, before people start hearing what we're discussing here. I'm talking and you are still sitting there waiting there. I don't want to get involved. Please, start living now. Chidi, start living. I cannot help you with this. I cannot help you with this one. Because what is this one now? Thing that has to do with King Zuba, Biko. I don't want.
What did happen? I barely escaped with my life that day. I have heard about the death of the guard alongside with the queen for a while, but I never understand it until now. If not for the help of the Queen Ogi, I would have been dead by now. I'm telling you.
Dead?
I'm telling you.
Ha! This thing is serious, oh. But why will the king send you and the queen to go and die? What will he gain from it?
My brother, I don't know. But one thing is certain. Those people who try to kill us are not ordinary people. They are evil. I think they want to sacrifice us.
Sacrifice?
Yes.
Hey. Why am I hearing this thing for the first time? Ha! I think this kind of voodoo art have been prohibited in this kingdom.
No. Those people in power are exploiting this act without knowledge of the people. Our kingdom is being ruled by the evil, and the general public are yet to find out.
I talk evil fool this kingdom and no go lie you. But no wahala sha. No wahala. We go the money small.
You don't get anybody where you go feel talk to for me. This is when this man don't disappoint me.
I don't get anybody again. You know say na only me I dey talk to for this village. Yeah, but na only me I know say we fit help us now. You could be like say that thing will happen for morning, destabilize am. You can't dey misbehave. You know they get yourself. I know say you go calm down. Na heartbreak. I beg just get more patience, yeah. I know say you know easy for you. I know say stress dey. Yeah, no matter of life and death. But I know say you go solve. Just calm.
Hi.
Who is just kissing small? Yeah.
Baba.
Make I talk to you. Nah, Baba. I dey beg you. No, my sister be this. This is a matter of life and death. Help us. If you're not important, I no go come meet you.
Chidi, I already told you I have no means to spiritual matters. How do I help you?
Oya recommend me. Refer me. Share link. Make I know wetin dey solve. Give me person wey know spiritual. Make I go do juju matter. If my sister die, you don't be you.
Chidi, who is this lady to you? Tell me the truth. Who is she to you?
Now the who now she now who is she to me now with the talk now? I be now you how you go to help me? That one no really matter now.
Before I can help you, you need to tell me who she is to you. Do you relate with blood?
No be say we no relate deeply like that. But now she employ me make her dey look after her papa. For years now, don't they work with her? We don't turn family. Her pains now my pains. Anything we concern her concern me. Now we she dey trouble now. I no go come leave her wrong. I got stamp him. Now why I come with you? Help me, help us. It don't be. I beg.
Okay.
If you know important, I no go come meet you.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's get back to the house. Call her. Let's go.
Yes. We don't talk. I don't explain everything give her. I say move, follow her.
Let's go to my place so we can talk about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am not really inclined with spiritual seers and diviners. But I know of one, very powerful one, in my mother's village. Her name is Igidi, the third eye. She is widely known and respected by the people around her home. She's a legend. There is nothing impossible for her to do. So I believe she can be of help.
Please, just take me to her. I'm willing to pay any amount of money. I beg.
I will not be doing that because of money. I will do that because of this young man, which I have grown fond of. And if this matters to him, it matters to me. Moreover, I can never forget what King Zuba did to my ex-fiancé and I.
You are disrespecting me. To crown it all, you're doing it before my subjects. Be careful, Makanina baby will save you.
Do not be blinded by your rulership, Igwe. I am not your slave, but a citizen. And I need to tell you the truth, no matter what. Stop your evil. Because you cannot invite a snake into your compound just because you want to have a fight with it. To bite you.
You're sounding stupid. You don't love my people more than I do. So keep your stupid advice to your miserable self.
King Zuba. Look at what you're saying, King Zuba. You need your people. Just like your people need you. Stop what you are doing. Stop taking our people and our properties forcefully away from us.
I am too big to be exchanging words with a riffraff like you. One more word from that hole on your face and I will treat you like a slave.
I've said what I just said.
Okay.
Go down on this!
Season.
Go down! 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 You are fool.
Make him lie down. Very, very stupid.
Just say what I said. Ah! I'll say what I say! King Zuba! Leave our people alone! Ah! 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 Ah!
How dare you walk into my palace?
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Idiot!
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Idiot!
Ah!
Idiot! Idiot!
King Zuba! Leave our people alone!
Seize him!
Leave our people alone, King Zuba! Stop your tyranny, King Zuba! Stop your tyranny, King Zuba!
I have scores to settle with him. And I believe this is the right opportunity to do that. Anyways, you guys need to rest. Okay? Get some rest until I figure out how to move your people. Chidi, come, let me show you where you guys will rest. Okay?
This woman. What did I do you? Why they worry my life? Leave me now. I no go run from you again, no. I no go go anywhere. Need to work, make it happen. If you want kill me, come and kill me. Waiting. Sure.
We have an unfinished business. Back then, before King Imad got married to me. Before you and I, we are ever crowned queens of this kingdom. We have an unfinished business.
Unfinished business? How?
You have forgotten yourself so soon, Madam Task Collector.
Your vegetable seller here. Madam, you want vegetable? Fresh one, oh. You're burying my rubber here.
Auntie Muna, task collector dey come. Task collector, how that girl no do this? Auntie say she no will come today. Oh. Person wey dey this line, as we dey talk so na this place she dey waka come. See, discharge her for me. Tell her say I no come shop today. You no see me, I no see you. You dey hear me? No, wait, make I carry my. Okay, cut am. Just tell her say I no see you, you no see me.
Where are you going to? Where you dey go? Where my money? Make I tell you, the money where you dey owe, you go give me. Then you go add transport fare join for delaying me. Don't tell us that they wait for you.
Now me send you. Now make it block me like thief. Now so thief they block people like this. You just block me, see me at the pass for road, you block me, say where my money?
I mean they call thief. If I dash you back hand slap, your head go land this
No,
one.
dash me now, make you know whether
No,
you go see 1 naira.
You dey owe 3 weeks. Now I pay all your mates don't pay.
Dash me, make I report you, go give you away. You know go see shishi.
Give my money. Give me your money fast.
How much be this money where you dey even use the embarrass?
You know how much you dey owe. I no go remind you. Give me the money, make I dey go. And add transport fare join.
You don't understand the kind of tax collector where you be. Go just the block people for road, they collect money from there. You be thief, oh.
No.
You be thief, oh.
I dey quick vex, oh. Mind the way you talk to me, young woman. I dey quick vex.
Every time you dey block person, they collect money like say you be thief. Now thief you dey.
I be tax collector. Now my work to collect
thief.
money.
Now
give me.
You are a thief collector. You're not a tax collector. This is not how other tax collectors. I know who even give you this.
Come on, give it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, make that money no pass.
Get transport.
Which transport?
No, give me transport.
Which transport? Let me send you. Let me say my no
now
go.
My work be this. Are you mad? Not be my work be that.
Not the work he dey do. Na thief
I am
he dey
proudly tax collector. I am proud to be a tax collector. Now my work be this.
Na thief he dey thief.
Give me my money. No do
Which money?
Transport fare.
Which money?
I go slap you for
if
here.
If you hear shish, make I know wetin cause am. Which money? You know dey shame. Go dey waka for road, dey collect money from people.
Okay, no, give me transport. No, give me transport. You want break my gate? What did they sup?
Which one be wetin dey sup? You dey craze. You dey mad. In fact, your papa, your mama,
your generation thunder fire your papa brokos.
Before I close my eyes, open them now, enter inside, go comot my money, give me now.
Which money?
Which one be which money?
I dey with your money. Be like say you not well. I dey with your money.
You don't put eye for me. After you don't chop my money, no make I ask you. Oh no, will not pay for me. Oh no, will not pay my debt. Waiting give you the liver for you to come to the market and say collect money from me.
Now I know say you not get sense. Now I know say bomb don't scatter for your brain. You dey mad oh. Oh no, who came to my house come tell me say King Madu pay for one vegetable seller where they owe me money for 3 weeks. I be now you be vegetable seller.
Oh, are they mad? But now you dey mad pass. Which other vegetable seller they owe you money for this market?
Answer the question. Is your name vegetable seller?
No, which other vegetable seller they owe you money?
I know you as vegetable seller.
Yeah, okay. I know you're a thief, but I will not take it. Go inside and give me my money.
Which money?
My friend, give me my money.
I don't get any money. Man.
Yeah, okay, give me my money.
I go pay you.
Go tell me. Okay, you just say the place again. Hey, you say the place. I go show you. Go there. Go there.
Listen, I go.
Go there.
My. Oh, I go get. Come on, they go. Hey, I go. Hey. Hey! Something when it happened 7 years ago. Now you carry come here. You carry your akpo for mind. Eh? Let me say you carry me for mind before you die. This woman, you be bad person, oh. You carry your akpo for mind. That one a ghost word. I dey sure say Yaba left there. They don't check you. Because if you like say you don't dey mad, you don't dey crazy, they need to check you. What be this? Come, how did you die? I want to know how you died because King Zuba no kill you well. Because if you say he buy you well, you know go get Murat to dey monitor me, they follow me everywhere. You suppose die, you be bad person. Spirit, they get unforgiving spirit. I never see spirit where I get unforgiving spirit. You be the first spirit where I don't see where I get unforgiving spirit. You get akpo, you wicked. You carry me for mind, you die. I don't even know, say I do something like that for you. 7 years ago. Eh? This woman. You carry your akpo, say as breast heavy. Now akpo na food this place. Now make everywhere be like this. You be witch. Now small thing you take escape witchcraft. Person will get unforgiving spirit now witch. Come on for here!
I do not care what you say. I want you dead.
Things are they fear to die. Anything will make it happen. You see that marriage, I'm not going to go back.
Return to your husband.
I'm not going to go back.
Return to your husband.
I'm not going to try him. I will not do it. Witch! Because they kill you, won't make they come kill me, John. I make you the first make I go there. Now your mission so that I go die. I not go die. I not go back to that marriage.
I am giving you 24 hours to return to your husband. Else.
Wait. What do you want to? You put eyewa. What do you want? You want enter my body? Come on for. What be this? Which kind of restless ghost be this? Eh? Now my first to marry.
Majesty, how have you been faring?
There is fire on the mountain. 80% of my cabinet members were killed. And my queen is still missing. These are trying times, which I'm still finding it difficult to comprehend.
I thought as much, Your Majesty. May their souls rest in peace. Amen. But, Your Majesty, there are rumors flying everywhere, and that is why I rushed down here to inform you.
What rumor?
This may sound very disturbing. People are saying you and the late Onu, alongside with other cabinet members who lost their lives, are ritual men who tried killing the queen and her guides, but ended up being killed by the queen in self-defense.
Where is that nonsense coming from? Debunk such rumors. My cabinet members and my queen were going to the neighboring village to settle a conflict before they were attacked by kidnappers. The kidnappers killed my cabinet members and whisked away my wife. That's exactly what happened. So please, debunk whatever nonsense people are spreading. They are just trying to tarnish me. Okay?
I am very sorry, Your Majesty. Very sorry. I will do everything within my power to debunk and eradicate this false news. I assure you.
Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi. Ejana bisi je. Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi.
Iggy is our own legend. She have lived for
more than 200 years.
Legend had it that she is a demigod. Her mother was a human, and her father was a great deity, Anuka, a god that fell in love with a woman and Betty Gidi, the seer. There is no problem she cannot solve. That makes her a very busy woman. It will be difficult to get in touch with her. It may take like 2 months before you can see her face to face.
2 months? 2 months? That's far now. I'll be dead by then.
Uncle, is there no way we can hasten things up? There is no time. It's urgent.
I don't know about that. But I can do anything to help you. Okay? I need to talk to someone. Okay. Make yourself at home. I need to see somebody, okay?
Who were the guards that escorted my wife on the day she was supposed to complete her second assignment?
It was Tochko and Samuel.
Where are they?
Both of them have resigned from the palace.
Fetch me both of them, dead or alive.
What is happening here? Have I committed a crime?
Tochukwu, our great king, King Suba, demands your presence in the palace right now.
Over my dead body, I go nowhere.
Over your dead body, you said? You have to come with us now, or we'll take your dead body to the palace.
Nothing will make me go back to that palace again.
Your Highness, I'm sorry. I'm innocent. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. I did not say anything.
Who paid you to tarnish my image? Who paid you to dent my reputation? What's your game? I even heard you were involved in the killing of my cabinet chiefs and the abduction of my queen. True or false? Why did you do that?
Your Highness, I was meant to protect our queen and your cabinet. I cannot do such a thing like that.
So why didn't you fight and protect them?
You and your cabinet planned for us to go and die.
Where is the other guard?
He's dead.
Ntị. Obiro Chacha. Clean this mess. Fetch me both of them, dead or alive, and fetch me the last idiot.
You will. Samuel, what is this? Your life is in danger now, as I'm telling you now.
My life?
Yes. As I'm talking to you now, Tochukwu is dead.
What? Why? How?
You need to leave this kingdom now, or else your head will not be on your neck again.
Where do I go to? Leave this kingdom? How? I have never been out of this kingdom all my life. Where do I go?
Come with me.
Come with you?
Come with me, yes, come.
You can get my things.
Get what? All these things will be an element for you. Just come.
I have seen someone who is a close relationship with the seer. He advised that we should go and wait for our turn. You know, the seer knows who to attend to before the other, depending on the situation that brought you there. It may take a long time to see her, or it may not take time at all. The bottom line is we should go to the shrine and let her acknowledge our presence.
That's very good, Uncle. But Uncle, you have to take us there.
There is no problem, I will. We have to leave first thing in the morning. Okay, first thing in the morning. We cannot afford to waste any time.
No problem. Okay. No problem. I will let them know immediately.
That's fine. That will be fine.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
Alright. Take care, oh?
Yeah,
okay. Sorry.
Munachi! You have angered my spirit. You failed in all ramifications. I gave you a task, and you are here talking nonsense.
I tried all I could, but she is still stubborn.
Try harder. In my world, there is nothing like failure. Go, torment Queen Ogi. Bring her back to this palace or do not return. Go! Go! Go!
What's with this? Eh? Why you want to kill me? I think so you be better person. You don't be better person, you be bad person. You want to kill me, Abi? Eh? You be bad person.
You must return to your husband. I will kill you if you don't return. You must go back to the palace. You cannot run away forever. Coward. Coward. Go back to your husband. Coward. Coward. Go back to your husband. Go back!
Your papa! I know they go anywhere. Marriage them by force. Instead of me to go back to that man, make I die. Say you won't kill me, make I tell you, I know they fear death. So go ask questions, not well, no. I know they fear to die. Now cutlass you carry for you and use and kill me. This how they fear you. You the mad. Die! Just die!
This is the boundary to Igidi Shrine. Take this path straight and you'll find yourself at the heart of the shrine.
Are you not coming with us?
No, there is no need for me to be there. Just believe that Igidi will solve your problems and it shall be so.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We owe you. Thank you.
Safe journey.
Thank you, Uncle.
You have come from afar. Welcome to the home of Igidi, the third eye.
Thank you very much. Please, where is she? We want to see her. It's urgent.
There is no urgency in the home of Igidi. She will meet you all at the proper time. Come with me.
They never take to attend to us. Hey, to us, what in this up now?
I'm sure they will come. Just exercise some patience.
We should calm down. We don't stay here for too long. Oh. It be like say nobody they would come this place. It be like say only us stay here. I mean, you might be know they come here.
Don't talk like that too. See this place now. There might be more than 50 people here, but you will not see a pin. It's only when they want you to see that you will see. So don't talk like that, Pico.
I don't understand. Now ghosts, they come here. This is why you say we don't see them.
Not be me talk that one. I did not say so. You hear me?
I don't understand because they put fear for my body. What do you mean by 50 people there here but we cannot see them?
I'm sure they will be with us soon. Calm down.
What are you doing here? You don't want to ask you.
They are gone to a place I cannot enter. Please free me and let me go.
You are mad. I won't let you go until you do what I asked you to do. I told you not to return here until you have achieved your aim.
I cannot enter there. The forces surrounding them is too strong for me.
I don't care. Find them Even if they are in the bottomless pit of hell, find them. Do the needful. Queen Oge must return here begging on her knees. Else, do not return. Now leave.
I think it's time for her to arrive. Calm down.
Sit. I said sit. I was awoken from my sleep last night. A ghost tried to forcefully penetrate my wall. And I was wondering, why would a ghost overlook the protective wall guiding my home and still wants to penetrate, risking itself? And I'm made to believe that the ghost came for you.
Exactly, great one. That is the reason we're here. This ghost has been haunting me for a very long time now. It's been my biggest problem since I escaped from my husband.
And who is your husband?
King Zuba of Aguba Kingdom.
What is your relationship with the ghost?
Great one, I don't know.
Why does the ghost want you badly?
This particular ghost has once helped me before. All of a sudden, she's after my life. She wants to kill me. I didn't do anything to her. I don't know what happened. Please help me.
One has to find out the roots of his or her problems before looking for solution to the problems. First, we have to understand why the ghost wants you badly. In order to do that, your spirit must be trapped.
How?
What are you doing? We came all the way here because of you. Now you want to chicken out?
You know what she talk? She wants to kill me.
And then bring you back to life. Or you didn't hear that part?
How can somebody die? You can't bring the person back to life. Is it possible?
You've forgotten the land you stand on. Eagle is no ordinary mortal. I believe she can do it.
And they run from death. Can't come here, can't jam the same death. Eh? Something that they run from. I don't go fit oh.
I understand you are scared. It's normal to be scared. But I trust Igili. And so you should trust her too.
What if she's not able to bring me back to life? What will happen? I will just die, go like that.
You see, a wise man once said that it's better to try and fail than not try at all.
Sit.
I am ready.
Hand over the calabash to her. Drink the last drop of the content of the calabash.
Okirikiri ka a na-agba ukwu ose anaghị arị ya elu. Ọ na-enwudeji na-ama ọgbanwudeji serela ọmụmụ ewudeji owudeji achara ugom wudeji ọlata n'ọlata n'ọlata. What happened? Your husband compelled the soul of his stepmother to chase you down. She had no options than answer to his biddings. You need to unchain her, set her free, so that you can be free.
How do I set her free?
That I am yet to decipher. You need to go back to the realm. I will receive you when I have new information.
It seems like you have fallen out of track. Need I remind you that failure to complete this sacrifice, you shall die and the throne shall fall out of your family. Your family legacy shall then end with you, and your shame shall be rubbed on you even in death.
I plead for mercy, Grandmaster. That girl has beaten more than she can chew. She has become a thorn on my flesh and the bone in my neck. I don't even know what
to do. You have sealed your fate, and death awaits you.
Fabu kata ogbu chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba.
Eje anọbi isi ije.
Reveal to me. Reveal to me. Reveal. 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 Why tie her in captivity?
Oh, who is that? This woman. I know this woman very, very well. She normally comes to my shop to ask me for alms. And she helped me with my relationship matters as well. I know her. Yes.
She is no human. She is the spirit of the dead.
I know her as well. She's a good person. She has been good to me severally. She even advised me not to stay for my father anymore. So why would she attack my sister? Why would she go after her?
You are wise, boy. But the husband killed her and her daughter. Ever since, she has not gotten rest. She has been roaming about among the living. Look at the chain around her neck. She's been trapped. And she is compelled to hurt your sister. For a reason. Yes.
And what reason could that be? Is it King Zuba, my sister's husband?
She is slowly moving on a journey of no return. I need to wake her before it is too late.
The mirror must have shown you something very traumatizing, I suppose.
I never saw this coming. She was so nice. She helped me the times I needed. She was there for me.
Can you tell me about it?
Anachugu, how are you?
Chidebere.
Eh?
Watantike. Where are you going with that? Is it not too heavy for you? Why did you not get a wheelbarrow to carry it?
No, be say I no get wheelbarrow no dey house. And a hand that they use rock am. So I put on like this now. And how's I dey? So you no be say you know heavy. But they manage.
You'd have got you one in cases like this.
As cases come now, I no see money to clear the case. What I go do? I go see in a hand by foreign. I put her here. Money no dey. Anachuku, money no dey. I for don collect wheelbarrow.
You can call me your guardian angel. Angels do exist.
And guardian, you dey guide me well. Wampa. Thank you. Anachuku. Job noko. Okay, sorry.
Get yourself a wheelbarrow.
I go run am just now.
To avoid breaking your neck.
What happen? I tell no my house. I thief your money. I tell no my house. My papa house self.
I don't mean to scare you. I just wanted to give you what my mother and I prepared.
What's your mommy prepare? Rice. For me. Where your mama? Yes, she did.
You don't have to worry.
Tell me, say I don't have to worry. For food, owner. Rice and beans. Oh, thank you. Come, where your mama? Mama, go say thank you. We say for this community they live. Where be on our side, on our house, where you dey?
Like I said, you don't have to worry.
No, I suppose worry. Make I worry. Wetin be your name?
My name is Anna. My mother's name is Muna.
Anna Chukwu. Where on our community dey? In our house. Where on our from? Go, make I go thank your mama. Better rice and stew. Where your mama dey?
You don't have to worry.
No, come on down, you don't have to worry from your mouth. Come show me where on our house dey. Show me on the house now.
You don't need to worry.
No, I go worry. Come show me on the house. No, who go? No, I don't worry already, baby girl. Oh, Anna Chukwu. Your name is Anna. Come show me your mama house. This people give me. I don't even know them. Don't be. So I go use this money do now. Pepper soup or Scottish. Pepper soup or Scottish. Pepper soup or Scottish. Pepper soup or Scottish. Scottish carries the vote. Scottish.
That money was not meant for you to eat. It was meant for your father.
Wait, oh. You give me money, you want to tell me I want to chop am? My papa no go gree collect this money half and half. You dey like your money bulk. Na 3K I dey owe that man. You can't give me one. See, and this one now, it has been budgeted. You understand? We don't budget am. No be say I don't budget am. I want to go collect my normal 1 or 2. So you no rich, so you don't be.
What do you intend to do? Find the balance? Or?
Can't be all. You know already now. Not to squander this one. Go squander this one, pa. Then I go take appease my papa. I get as I want to see money again now. So this one now don't go for Scottish. This one take collect Scottish, so I go take package normal. So you don't be. Yeah now. Maybe later.
Should I beg? Give to your father.
This one join him. Oh, well, now. I don't hear you. Come on. Oshi. Peace out. See you at the back.
They were really nice people. But I did not know they were dead. They rendered so many help. But I wasted my time. I could not embrace the time I spent with the people I care about.
I understand. You should be thankful for the time of anyone, because you never can tell when it will be your last.
I've lost all my time, I think. I could not even show care or love to the man who took me in as a son. Now he's dead. I regret even not helping him or showing him love.
Regrets. It is the next stage of repentance. I hope you find your feet again.
Great one. We were told you wanted to see us.
Yes. I have found the solution. Only the Mother Earth can break the shackles. You need to get the sand from the graveyard of the maternal ghost. Then the shackles will be broken.
Wise one, how do I know where Muna's mother was buried? I don't even know where she's from, let alone know her burial ground.
That is the only solution. Find her maternal home. Find the burial ground. Get a handful of sand from the burial ground. Bring it here. And the chain binding Mona's spirit will be broken.
Wise one, please, help me. This is way above me, Biko.
Wise one, please, is there a way you can help us? Like to locate the maternal home, please.
I'm afraid this is all I can give for now.
Her mother is from Aguba. I think her father should also be from Aguba Kingdom. Men don't just travel far away to marry, do they?
You cannot say that. The community where I grew up is neither my mother's community or my father's. That her mother is from Aguba Kingdom doesn't mean that she's from there. I mean, if it's that easy, I'm sure that Igide would have told us.
Hey, I'm finished. How do I find this burial ground? The only person that has information about this burial ground is the same man that wants me dead. I don't know what to do. Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure that there will be a solution by tomorrow. Let's just sit it out and see what Igide will tell us tomorrow. Yeah?
Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi Obiali jemuna Ejana bisi je Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi Omete ya buru Ometere buru Ometere buru.
They killed Isaac protecting his friend for a truth.
was fighting the palace guard. If the king was so innocent, why did he send the palace guard to kill Samuel? My love. My love. My love is dead. My love is dead. My love is gone. And the king is in his palace enjoying himself. The truth no longer set us free. Rather, the truth is not the way to our death. I am tired. I am tired. We need justice. We need justice. We need justice for our kingdom. My love is dead, Ejike. My love is dead.
Youths of our land. I believe that we have all heard about the rumor spreading in this kingdom.
Yes.
Until now, our newly married queen has not been found, nor has she been confirmed dead. The guards who survived that incident gave a testimony. And since then, the rumor has been spreading like wildfire across the community. We all know Tochukwu, a guard who survived this incident and stopped his work in the palace. He was recently apprehended by the king's men and dragged across the community like a criminal. As soon as the rumor started spreading, and no one could say or do anything about it. The most painful one was the death of our brother Isaac. He was a brother, a lover. How long? How long are we going to sit down and fold our hands and turn a blind eye to the evil and atrocities that are going on in this community? I will not. I say enough is enough.
Yes.
We will storm the palace.
Yes.
Justice must be served to
Yes.
all those that has lost their lives. For power is in the hands of the youth.
Yes.
Who will join me to fight for justice?
I.
You must all go now. Mobilize every youth that you can see. Let us go to the palace and occupy the palace until justice is served.
Ozumanu,
move.
Let's go.
Anyanwụ bịa mara nzu, ọnwa bịa mara nzu, ikuku bịa mara nzu, mmiri n'ọgba gburugburu bịa nụ mara nzu. Anyị si ndụ nwoke ndụ nwaanyị. Egbe bere ugo bere nke si ibi ebe na nke ama nkwụ ya. Unu ga-egosi nke ọzọ ebe ọ ga-ebe. Ọ bụrụ na ihe ọjọọ nọrọ n'ihu, anyị ga-anọ n'azụ. Ọmalịcha nwaanyị. Nnemeze nwaanyị ooo. Nnemeze nwaanyị bịa nụrụ ụmụ gị na-akpọ. Nnemeze nwaanyị ooo. Nnemeze nwaanyị ooo. Nnemeze nwaanyị bịarụra nwa gị na-akpọ. Ama mara uledo bọsị eke maa ya bọsị ode bọsị afọ ya na bọsị nkwachara n'oge anọ ududo orimo nwere ihe na-esere anyị n'unu ka anyị medo ya. Nnukwu nne.
Anything?
Nothing. Tell them that they should find another way.
Fabu nkata ọgwụ chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Eje na bụ isi ije. Eje na
isi mama ntokwa n'ezi
Obieli jemuna
eja na bisi isi mama ntokwa n'ezi
Your Highness, the youths are protesting in the village.
What are they protesting for?
They are chanting for justice. For Tochku and Isaac. It seems they are members of the youth parliament.
I'm the chief judge of this kingdom. So I decide who gets justice. Make sure they don't come into this palace. If anybody trespasses, fire. I repeat, if anybody trespasses, fire. And if they are proving stubborn, mobilize illegal youth. Let there be counter-protest. Cause confusion. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness.
Proceed.
ya ka anyị na-eme. Ọwa ife ọzọ.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, but I think I know the way.
Which is?
Immortal Kingdom.
Immortal Kingdom?
Yes.
How did you get to know about this?
I saw it.
Huh?
Yes.
You saw it?
Yes.
Immortal Kingdom is very far from this kingdom. You might not survive getting there. But then, there is a way out.
Which is?
I need to speak to all of you in person.
Things are getting out of hand. The youths have gathered their own guard at the palace. They have taken the king hostage in his own house.
Will you blame them for it? Or haven't you heard the things that has happened?
What has happened? What proof do we have that the king had hand in the disappearance of the queen? Or is a member of fraternity?
The truth is clear before your eyes, and you still cannot see it. When an allegation is laid before you, proving yourself innocent is what is expected, and not murder. Why can the Igwe went as far as adopting Tochukwu and sending the gas before Samuel, thereby killing an innocent people, alongside with the palace gas? We are talking about human lives here. And all of these things are happening from the man that swore an oath to protect his people.
I understand, Mazude. Does fire solve a problem? Does two wrongs make a right? We have to take control of this situation before things goes out of hand. Yes, we have to summon the youths. Thereafter, we can settle this thing amicably.
That is what we should be talking about. Than defending an ill done by the king.
We are not defending him. It's just to make sure there's peace in the land.
My son, I understand the pains of the youths. You deserve justice, and we all do. I stand by you. But then, the peace of this kingdom is in shambles, following with what is going on. Wars must have gone out to our neighboring kingdoms of what is transpiring in our kingdom. This could be an avenue for other kingdoms to take advantage on us if we are not smart and tread with caution in all of this.
Please, my son, I for one now understand you fight a good cause. But then, there has never been any time war helped in bringing peace. War and peace do not go together, my son. Please, let us settle this thing peacefully to avoid chaos ahead of us. I'm begging you, please, my son.
When you say settle this peacefully, what exactly do you mean? Because the last time I checked, we no longer have capable cabinet members who can handle issues of this kingdom.
Yes, there are no cabinet members, but there are elders who knows the custom and ethics of our land.
Yes.
Elders who lost this kingdom, not for anything, not for power, but of a genuine love. A new era of elders will be formed, I assure you. But for now, let us work together and bring back sanity to our land.
Yes, we will work together. But please, my son, call off the youths. Holding the king who stayed in the palace is not good, it's not fair. We will have a meeting soon, with you inclusive. where justice will be served.
Well, I have heard your pleas, but this is a decision I cannot make alone. I will have to relate with the other youths, and then I will get back to you on whatever we decide.
Thank you.
Be careful in this life. When you choose people you trust.
You can't continue to live that distance.
Cause some of
In order to get to Omoda Kingdom quickly, you need to take the route of Amaze. In 2 days, you will find yourself in Omoda Kingdom. But then, before you leave, you need to fortify yourselves. Because the spirit that is after you is still lurking around. If you leave this place without being fortified, you could get killed, all of you. Give them food. Put the bead in your pocket and make sure it is touching your body. That way, you are fortified against every spirit on the road. You know what you will stop me?
Be careful.
Let's split so we can be safe. Do you understand? Go this way, we can go this way. This is place safe.
Cause some of them are lions in sheep clothing, looking for whom to devour. Jai, fake people everywhere. Pretend to care, but they are for destruction. What Gonye metere, ojirisi aburu. If onye metere, isi yako gejiburu. What this life is Gonye metere, ojirisi.
She show me now. See that she show me now.
That's what I'm saying now. Here she show you. This is the junction. 3 roads they here. Which one will go follow? You say that side. We reach there now. You say no. Now 3. We dey here now. Wait till you want me will do. Which road we want me will follow?
She show me 3 now. Don't carry you come the 3.
She show you 3.
They show for me.
Oh, I call them now. Try talk to them.
You know what call them? Now you dey see the vision. Me when they see vision, they tell you what I see. You give me. Oh, you carry my eye put for your own now.
No wahala. See the vision. I beg. See clearer one. No, we know where we dey go. We don't too waka. I don't tire.
The vision when she show me, he blur small.
You don't be saying he blur. The vision blur. This one. We don't the waka since. I don't tire cheat now.
Me too, I don't tire. Me too, I don't tire. Which I'm trying to think. No pressure me.
I don't say no pressure you.
The vision go. One more pressure from you now. Vision no till.
I don't understand you. Which one they talk like that now? I beg. See, you don't vex me small.
You go calm down. Make I talk to them.
No wahala.
One more pressure now. Vision. Wham.
No wahala. Sorry. Talk to them. I beg.
I don't remember.
Which way now? Which way? That one or that one?
No be here.
No be here again.
No be here.
So which way? We don't the waka since now. Try to think now.
I don't think I'm now. Come see I'm here. Who dey go?
See where again?
Who dey go now? Who go meet Oge first? Who go meet Oge now? We don't see am.
No Oge go show us the road.
No Oge sabi am where.
I don't understand you.
Bakwe kala bila bere ida. Bakwe kala bila bere ida. Bakwe kala bila bere ida. When the rhythm of the music changes, even the dance step changes as well. Queen Oge, you have caused this fraternity a great ordeal. The deities no longer find your actions lightly. I am coming for you and everyone that has ever helped you to jeopardize what this fraternity stands for. You can run, but you cannot hide. I am coming. I am coming for you. Nuanava tolo finibile kwa la bere. Nya bobe kote dikakuru.
You are not welcome here.
I do not need an invitation to enter wherever I please. You withheld the queen here. I should have been here earlier.
Of course you should have been here earlier. She is no longer here. You are too late.
This is what happens when you allow children to take charge. Igwe Zuba, you have disappointed me. But you shouldn't have helped her in the first place. Now she shall die.
I do not fear death. I have lived long enough to retire. Igiri accepts death with open arms.
That makes you a bigger fool.
I understand your anger.
Yeah, foolish.
But now you must calm down. I want to inform you all that our cries have echoes through this kingdom.
Yes. Yes.
Everyone has heard our voice.
Yes.
Now we must leave this place. Not as a sign of retreat or surrender, but as a move to a whole new revolution. We march for peace and tranquility. Let us go. Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! We must only
What happened? Who killed him?
She's dead. She was killed by a man looking for you. He killed my mother.
Which can wahala be this now, eh? I don't carry the sand come now, come they jam this kind. You don't go help me now. What do I do?
Take the staff.
What did she talk just now?
That's what she wants. Take the staff. Stamp it on the sand you are holding. Stamp it.
I release you! Spirit of Munachi, you are now free. No shackles can prevent you anymore.
Finally, you are here. I'm glad you got my message. No one else get hurt. This will soon be over, only if you submit yourself to the king.
Submit myself to? It be like say you dey mad. It be like say you smoke expired Igbo. I want to ask you one question. What in that woman do you when make you enter Ashira and go buy am? You leave who you dey find, go kill that woman. Why?
It is not in my place to kill you. It is in the place of the king. I only needed to lure you here so that the rites can completely be done. And here you are.
So you dey embarrass yourself. No, for your mind now, you think so you go feel raw me to kill me. All this nonsense when they do for this kingdom go end today. When they use people, innocent souls, they do ritual. For your mind, you think you can use my head to do ritual? Not my head. I will put an end to the existence of all this evil when they do for this kingdom today.
You fool! I am immortal and I cannot be killed by human weapons.
Ikiti! Ikiti!
Is he dead?
He's dead. Listen. The battle line has just been drawn. Take my brother to the stage. I'll be back.
Fabu nkata ọgwụ chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba hapụkwa ma egbe chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba eje na bụ isi ije eje na isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi ọ bịara ije nwụ na eje na bụ isi ije eje na isi mama ntụkwa
To hunt again. This time around, Nami go come for you. The hunted don't become the hunter. You go to see me. I hope say you go still get the liver to kill me when you finally see me. Get ready,
Okay. Coming for me? What the hell is going on?
My king, the youths are retreating. They are leaving the palace.
I don't care what's going on. I don't care the battalions that are coming. Oge is becoming too dramatic, which I'm not comfortable with. She's getting on my nerves. I need her head for sacrifice at that some period. Do the needful. Everybody around this vicinity should be double prepared. Give them more bullets. I want her head for sacrifice.
Consider it done, my king.
Good. Cause confusion and leave no trace behind.
Igwe.
Fabu nkata ọgwụ chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba hapụkwa ma egbe chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba
King Zuba! You want to use my head for sacrifice, Abi? I don't come and use my head for sacrifice. You see this your palace, I go burn them today. I know well, oh, my joy lost since and they find I never see him. I don't get joy. King Zuba! You better come outside because I will burn this house down! King Zuba! I am here! Come out and use me for sacrifice! King Zuba! You better follow you play, I go burn down this palace! You better come out now! Come out, I will burn this palace now! If this thing touch ground, this place will catch fire! King Zuba!
Welcome, Queen Oge. Have you finally come to surrender yourself to our great king, King Zuba? But you want me to bring you down by myself?
Who you want bring down? Ants like you go fit bring me down, they whine. You don't ask question, I know well oh. See, I'm not come for you, just punk me. Behave yourself, I came for your king. You don't feel me? Come on for road though.
Surrender yourself.
You want shoot me, Abi? Shoot me. Shoot me! King Zuba! King Zuba! In 2 hours, this palace will go on fire. You no fear. You get mind, come my papa house, come marry me with bad intentions. You won't use me to do sacrifice. That will not reach you. You send people, come buy my papa. I swear to the gods, your life goes spoiled today. The wine.
Ipeka. You are nothing but a pigeon that thinks itself a bird. You can't stop me. I am the king and I will continue to reign in power and in glory. You should have kept running. I swear I must sacrifice your head so that I will keep reigning from glory to glory to glory. You can't stop me.
The lion stands no chance before a god. Igidi! I submit myself to your never-ending powers. Let your strength envelop my body, soul, and spirit. Zuma, the people of Akuba will know your secrets that you've been hiding for decades.
There is fire on the mountain. The queen has returned. I heard the king on gunpoint at the village square.
Chinekamo,
are you serious? How can I be joking with something like this? Maybe she wants him to confess. We have to go and see things ourselves. Rico.
We are going there now to see and hear by ourselves. Please let us go.
Let's go.
Ada, you are here and the kingdom is on fire.
Our own kingdom?
Yes, so.
On fire?
Yes, so.
King Zuba have been dragged to the market square by the queen. And I'm going there to hear the full gist.
Are you serious? I am serious.
Today, the people of Akuba will know your secrets. And they carry you go village to where they go burn you today. Don't hold on too much. What happened? Not in my mouth. When I go hear what happened, you will hear it directly from the horse's mouth.
Please forgive me.
You should be forgiveness. Begin the talk, oh!
I belong to an occult. Yes. My father introduced me into the fraternity. He told me that I must belong for me to have a peaceful reign. That he did the same. His father initiated him. His grandfather did the same.
Hey!
His great-grandfather did the same. I need to be left alone.
Zuba, your father has been laid to rest, but his spirit has not transcended to where it rightly belongs. His soul still lurks around. Except a sacrifice is offered made on his behalf, he will continue to wander aimlessly. You must step in his place.
Grandmaster, what am I supposed to sacrifice for the spirit of my father to rest in the bosom of the Lord?
You must sacrifice the heads of his wife, Munachim, his daughter, Anna, for his soul to find peace and rest.
Consider it done, Grandmaster. Itiadoro.
Your Highness, she said.
Munachimso, the hour has come.
Igwe, have you really prepared your queen for the final assignment?
Yes, I have. She will be sacrificed as proposed. But I worry.
Worry about what?
After sacrificing my wife, will I be able to stand on my feet again? Get married again and be a son that will succeed me?
Of course, you will. The sacrifice is to seal your position as the king. After a few years, you'll get married again. And you will be a son, just like your father did.
If that is the case, I'm game. But most importantly, will I be able to walk again?
I'm certain you will walk. Don't bother yourself.
Fabu kata ogbu chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba.
Eje na bisi je.
Eje na o.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Obiara ije wụ na o.
Eje na bisi je.
Eje na o.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Omete ya buru o.
Ometere buru. Ometere buru.
Oye mete ya buru nye ya. Ye nuna mo.
Ometere buru.
Back to say no, it's not about prayer. He that seek for my life will bear with his own life. He will bear with his own life. Ogeji ndu ya wee tụọ ụtụọ. Ogeji isi ya wee lụzela mmiri. I know they look for troubles.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Why are we here? Please, I beg you. Take me instead. Let my daughter go, please, I beg you. Take me instead of my daughter.
Great deity of power and longevity, accept this sacrifice on behalf of King Zuba. Let her blood cement his reign in the throne of Aguma Kingdom. Glory go!
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 Jesus!
Hey!
I have been sacrificing people to maintain my power. But when it got to my queen Oge, I was supposed to sacrifice her. But there is something mysterious about her. She scattered everything. I'm sorry, my people. Queen Oge spoiled everything. She was supposed to be dead by now. My people, please forgive me. I was only acting under instructions. Sorry. My elders forgive.
My elders, you know waiting. At the carry am go village square. The youths are waiting for him there. They will burn him alive. No, let me take him there.
Igwe Zuba, your reign and that of your lineage must come to an end. You and your generation have taken so many innocent lives because of your constant quest for power. We say enough. Enough. There shall be no mercy. Because you and your lineage showed no mercy to the lives that you took.
There is no forgiveness, King Zuba. You have killed so many innocent souls. Judgment has been passed. Your reign ends.
Queen Oge, we have come to bid you farewell and to say thank you for saving us.
It should be the other way around. I should be thanking you for saving my life. I am grateful to you and your daughter.
You are welcome. See you on the other side.
You deserve a man like Nonso.
Be careful in this life. When you choose people you trust, cause some of them are liars in sheep clothing.
Wow. Una see they see me as una queen?
Of course, yes. Yes, Your Majesty. Because that is exactly who you are. We're on our way to your place so that we can discuss with you. Our kingdom is without a ruler and a council of elders. You are the only royal blood left. We have come to discuss with you for a way forward.
Which is?
Your Majesty, a woman cannot rule this kingdom. You have to choose a spouse who must be crowned king of Agoba kingdom.
Yes,
wow.
And then a selection of your royal cabinet will be done. We are in a new era, and we, the people of Agoba kingdom, wish to follow your lead, Your Majesty.
Wait. Wonderful. So any man I choose as my husband will become king of this kingdom?
Yes.
Yes, Your Majesty. Do you have anyone in mind? Or a royal conquest be done for you to choose?
Leave royal conquest. I already have a man in mind.
Already? And who is this man?
His name is Nonso. He's from Amala kingdom.
From another kingdom?
No, bother yourself. Now from another kingdom. In fact, I dey go call him. I dey go let him know the good news. Nonso!
This life is deep. Mind yourself.
Nonso! How far?
Okay, how are you?
Abigail, you not ready to marry?
Ready to marry? I don't understand.
I'm sure you don't understand. You ready to marry?
I don't understand. Explain to me now.
I'm sure you don't understand. You won't marry as in marry. You like marry?
I never ready to marry you.
No, you don't get choice. So. You go marry today. As me and you they talk, elders from my community don't fix the marriage date. Now today, me and you they go marry like this. That you be the next king, go. Because anybody who marry me go be king, automatically kingship.
If I marry you now, I become king.
I go lie for you.
And you fix marriage without letting me know.
Moku they go na lock shop, Moku go marry. What did happen for here?
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive
What is going on?
Please,
please
now.
Abigail, leave me alone. I'm no longer interested.
I cannot leave you alone. After everything.
Man, I wish you cannot leave me. Come out your hand. Come out your hand. What did they stop? Now my husband is the whole like this.
I'm no longer interested.
Leave me alone.
Please.
Please, I'm sorry.
I go blow your eye. Come on for this place, the place. Would they go marry like this? Where would they go? Lock shop, come on here. Come out here. Come on here.
Shop can be there. It's fine.
I go match you.
Mama Ejima. Mama Ejima, because they say I'm going to marry you. Emergency marriage. Let's be going. Abigail, I don't want it again.
I leave this thing when you speak. What in they occur? Eh? You be like say una dey kona una know this. No, I never even marry you. You don't dey knack woman.
True to God.
Now me say if I marry you, if you don't become king, you go carry all the concubines for this world.
No, never.
Because I mean won't make you king because without me you cannot be king.
There is nothing like that. I promise you.
Make I not catch you if I marry you finish. You go carry woman. I don't agree. I go come out the crown.
Abigail, I don't want it again. No, I want to be king.
Hey.
Mama Ejima, because take care of the shop.
Now king you be now. I need to meet you. They feel like do your shoulder like this. No, spread. Feel like this. They wine.
Igwe nonsense. Hey, Mama Ejima.
Fabu kata obo chuba mwa bialo wana ba. Hapukwa me egbe chuba nwa bialo wona agba.
Ejana bisi je.
Ejana o.
Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi.
Obiali je wuna o.
Ejana bisi je.
Ejana o.
Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi.
Isi mama ntokwa n'ezi. Omete ya buru o.
Ometere buru. Ometere buru.
Oye mete kwa ya buru nya ya yeku na bo.
Ometere buru.
Imete kwa kipali nya gi hapa na kwa bo.
Ometere buru. Ometere buru.
Back to say no, it's not about prayer. He that seek for my life will bear with his own life. He will bear with his own life. Oge jindu ya wetu otuo. Oge jisi ya wenuzela.